Surely the Lord God will do nothing, but he revealeth his secret unto his servants the prophets.
On November 2025, our dear Prophet Joel Atuma, give this prophecy that Arsenal will pause for others.
I am here again because of my son who called me all the way from Germany. I have prayed for Liverpool. Now Arsenal pause because we want a competitive league. So Arsenal pause. Let others meet up with you. Let's watch and see. The ability of a prophet is that he can affect anything.
On 30th November 2025, Arsenal play draw with Chelsea, making them to lose 2 points.